What's happening, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Me and Car Keys. So today's video is about how to get your truck show truck ready. So grab your car keys, let's go. Now this truck is not necessarily a show truck. It actually wasn't built to be one. However, it is a show. The truck is in it, therefore it's a show truck. Now, I say it's not necessarily a show truck because I drive this truck every day. It's literally my daily driver. It's also a family vehicle, so we have to go to church, we go to the store, we're going on a road trip, we're going to drive the truck over to Mazda because it has more space. There are certain things that you can do to your truck to make it show truck ready. Number one rule, wash the truck. I can't tell you how many times people pull up to a truck show or a car meet with a dirty truck. Wash the truck, it's it, right? And not one of those little rinse off car washes. This needs to be a deep, detailing car wash. All those areas that we normally skip, yeah, I know what I'm talking about. Those areas that you normally skip, you need to wash them. All right, now I'm guilty. I'm probably the number one culprit of the quick wash, the rinse off, where you barely wash it just enough so you can drive it and it looks okay. Not today. Today is gonna be a deep detail. This tonneau cover, I never washed this tonneau cover. We're gonna hit it today. Inside the truck bed, I never washed that. We're gonna hit it today. These wheels, I always wash the front of the wheels, but not the back of the wheels. That whole back barrel back there, we're gonna hit it today. After we get done washing, I got one product I wanna show you that is gonna help give the best version of your vehicle and make it shine like it's never shined before. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, I always wash the top of the truck. This part right here, always wash the top of the truck. Now a lot of times I know we don't wash it because we feel like nobody sees it. What if Shaq was like the judge of a truck show? Took me 10 minutes to clean this one wheel. We got clean wheel, dirty wheel, dirty wheel, clean wheel. All right, y'all, we got the truck all cleaned up. This thing is glistening in the sunlight. I don't know if you see that. We also cleaned up the Mazda. Can't clean up mine without cleaning up hers. So the product I was telling you about earlier is that one. Chemical Guys VRP. It is good for vinyl, rubber, and plastic protectant. It brings back that shine that you had when you first bought the car that has since faded. Now, I used this on the Mazda a couple months ago and actually held up pretty well. At least probably about 6 months, it held up very well. It has since faded, so we're gonna use some of this on the truck. We're gonna use some of this on the Mazda as well. And it is a great way to bring back the shine and some of these trim pieces that will give your truck that show truck look where everything looks perfect. All right, yeah, so this stuff has a lot of good uses. Like I said, it's vinyl, rubber, and plastic. So you can use it on your tires as tire shine, which we are gonna do. You can use it on your mirrors. The mirror caps here, mine are black and they are plastic and they're faded really bad. The main reason I want to use this is right here. Yeah, this whole section is faded. Now, at some point, I'm gonna take it off and repaint it or probably just get another one, but we're gonna put this stuff on it and see if it can bring back that shine, because it looks horrible. All right, now quick comparison. This side, VRP, that side is the faded side. That's a huge difference. Now, I'm hit it more than once, so make sure it's nice and shiny. Now, I'm noticing you can also use this on windshield wipers. You can use it on all the trim pieces. Wow, y'all, there you have it. Look at those wheels. Look at the shine on those tires. Chemical Guys VIP, this is some good stuff. I'm telling y'all, I can vouch for this. Look at the Mazda. Mazda's looking good too. Now I need to go back over all these trim pieces. Last time I did around the wheel wells, all these trim pieces at the bottom, all around the car. Definitely an awesome product. Yep, look at that shine. Look at that shine, y'all. Awesome product. Now, as I walk around the truck, I see a lot of other places I can use Chemical Guys VIP. All these trim pieces up here, I'm gonna hit those. Actually, the whole top of the tonneau cover I can hit because it looks ashy for some reason, even though I washed it. The trim piece back here, you can hit that. Where else? There are a lot of places on this truck that we can actually use Chemical Guys products. On the front down here, this trim piece, I need to go over that with VIP as well. All right, there you have it, y'all. We are cleaned up and truck show ready. That shine is amazing. It's the end of May. We are deep in the truck show, car show season. So it's another tool that you can get to make sure that you're ready for every car show that you go to, every truck meet. All right, now the car show I was talking about is called Cruising Coweta. It is on June the 3rd. If you're anywhere in the Atlanta area, south of Atlanta, Noonan, Peachtree City, anywhere near that area, come on out to Cruising Coweta. June the 3rd. It is the second annual show. I missed the first one last year, so I'm excited to actually be able to go to this one and actually have my truck in the show. It's definitely an honor, and I'm definitely excited to go to that one. Now, if you do come out to the show, stop by the truck, say what's up, let's link up. So this is part one of the series of how to get your car or your truck show ready, car show ready, right in the middle of truck season. Thank you for watching another video on the Man Car Geeks channel. I'll leave links in the description to VIP as well as to the little applicator pad that I use right there in the description as always. Make sure you subscribe, like this if you like this kind of content. I'll see you next time.